So there are some situation in exponential equation where it's not possible to compare same base. Okay, when does that happen? When there's an addition or subtraction of extra terms. So when there's an addition or subtraction of extra terms, that doesn't allow us to make the same base to compare. So this is the time we'll be using a substitution. So a substitution is like a third party to help you to find x indirectly. So usually the substitution can be detected quite easily, or they will have given it to you. Okay, so if let's say, if you look at this exponential equation, so these are the two items with x in the power. So between the two items, you will be choosing the simpler one as the substitution. So that's how you decide. Okay, and then you got to learn to break the other one. So usually the breaking has got to do with our indices rule. So most of the time is this one. So we are going to break. We're going to break the plus into a multiplication. We're going to break the minus into a division. So this part is not so easy because you got to think backwards. So for example, in this situation, okay, you look at this part. This is a subtraction. So subtraction is telling you to break it into a divide. And when you break it into a divide, you got a u divided by 2. So that is a half u. So that is a half u. So after this, we can do our substitution slowly. So this part will have become a half u. And this part will become a u. So that behaves like normal algebra. So it's like solving for x, but now we're solving for u. So don't forget, your substitution is something indirect for you to find x. So that is not the answer. So you got to return the substitution. So when u is equal to 8, that means, right, your substitution is equal to 8. So this is where you come to your E-math, same base, comparison. So you are using a third party to help you to find x indirectly. So that is the idea. But this idea is not so easy because you need to break the indices backwards.